Hey, how's it going, y'all? So, hopefully y'all can hear me. It's a little windy out. I got on my enclosed porch. So, we're going to look into this. This is going to be my opening of the chainsaw, as you can see on the box here. The Husqvarna 455 Rancher. It's got a 20-inch bar on it. And we're going to see how this holds up. Because as I said in my other post, we got a hard tree outside and we need to cut it down. So that's where we're going to be at today, or at least attempt to try and get it out here. Definitely packaged pretty good. Alright. So, man, I put it right in the frame pretty good. Look at that. Alright. So let's see. Always read the instructions, but hey, how many of us really do? So, let's see what we got here. Whoa. That's why. That one staple. I can get it out. There we go. What I thought. Alright. Got that off. Let's see here. Turn around. So I don't know how many of y'all actually messed with one of these, but evidently as we're looking at this, you got your handle, you got your guard here, you got your choke, and this is your safety switch or whatever when you're pulling the trigger, and it looks like you got your mix that's going to go in here for your gas and oil. I found out, I went into it and found out that it's a 50-to-1 to fuel and oil, which I bought this here. Figured it'd just be easier to do. Trying to find the Husqvarna mix, but they didn't have any at my local store. I got the chainsaw from Tractor Supply, and I got the fuel from Lowe's, I believe it was. So we're gonna fill this thing up and go over to the tree and see how it works out.
Alright, so I just got it started. We're going to try to cut this tree, see how good it works.
Well, like I said, this is a tree. It's pretty hard wood. It seems like it cuts really good. However, it is a sharp blade. So I know, as you can see right here, let me see, focus in. This right here, I had to get my father-in-law down here to cut it, and he even had trouble, and he had a big boy one. But this seems to be doing the trick. So I'm gonna see about cutting this some more, and then I'll come right back or whatever and tell you how I feel about the chainsaw. Alright, So, as a review on that right there, Husqvarna. As my zero turn I have, and I got a push mower, and now I have the chainsaw, I gotta say, did pretty good. That took me about, I don't know, 20 seconds probably to go ahead and cut all that. So now I got this whole entire tree to kind of get. So, as my review for this, which is, they call it the 455 Rancher. I think it's 55cc. That thing is great. I mean, my father-in-law has a steel 24-inch blade, I believe, on it, or a thing, and yeah, this thing is awesome. I mean, it kind of put his to shame, and he was working at this thing for a while with his saw. So I'm glad this is a good buy. I want to say I got it from, like I said, from Tractor Supply. I think it was on sale for $400, I believe it was. There was one that was right above this one. I think it was a $465. They went over $500 for it. And I was like, actually, I want to say it was almost closer to $600. I was like, I'm not trying to spend that kind of money. So, with that being said, definitely 2 thumbs up on this one. If y'all are interested in getting this, I definitely would say go for it if you're on the fence. And as for the zero turn lawnmower, I'll be doing a maintenance on it here soon in the next couple weeks, and hopefully I can get all that recorded for y'all to show y'all what we did on that. But I appreciate y'all watching, and as they say, I guess, comment below if you have any questions on it. I'll try to answer it for you. And if you subscribe, thumbs up, that'd be great too. Like I said, I'm starting off my YouTube channel as best I can. I've been working a whole lot, and then the we'll just say the beer flu, as a lot of people say, have stopped a lot of progress on a lot of things. So y'all be safe out there, stay healthy, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Appreciate it. Thanks.